Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this guided meditation. I celebrate you for creating this time and space for yourself today. Come back to gratitude. For today's meditation, I invite you to perhaps put on your favorite incense, Palo Santo or sage. Maybe you prefer a nice essential oil or perfume. Whatever it is, starting by making this into a sacred ritual for yourself. And then if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position and to first start looking around in your space. What is with you here? What can you notice? And if it feels safe for you, you can now softly close your eyes and turn inwards, otherwise keeping a gentle gaze on a point in front of you. I invite you to take a few deep breaths in and out here. Breathing in through your nose and sighing it out through the mouth at your own pace. Becoming aware of the air flowing in through your nostrils and softly caressing your mouth as it flows out again. Simply noticing that, bringing awareness to it. Then softly coming to an in and out breath through your nose. And you notice the air gently flowing in and out. How does the air feel? Perhaps warm or cold? Or maybe just right? And how does it smell? Maybe you notice the smell that you've put on. What does it smell like? Flowery? Clean? Earthy? Fresh? Delicate? Maybe sweet or subtle, herbal or citrusy, perhaps just delicious, maybe even evocative, making you think of something else, a memory. Really take a moment here to notice all the details of this smell. And if you didn't put on anything today, can you notice how the natural air around you smells? And with that smell entering your senses, can you become aware of how much the earth, the bees, the flowers, the wind, the people have done to create that for you? Can you trace back the origin of this smell? Where did it all start? perhaps with just the teeny tiniest seed dropped by a bird, fed by the water and earth, slowly sprouting, unfurling, unfolding its leaves. Its beautifully colored petals arrived. Bees kissing its center, pollinating and creating new life. Plucked with love, petal by petal, creating more of this smell for you. The people carefully extracting the oil, putting it together, creating this for others to then package, transfer, hand it over to you. Isn't that magical? Can you find the gratitude for this entire process, from the earth to you, from the animals to you, from the people to you? Oftentimes we forget how much it takes for things to be made that we use so often. The beauty of it, the care, the kindness, the creation, where it comes from. Now imagine that you could put on glasses and see everything as to where it came from. The entire process, all the love that was given so kindly. Who are you grateful for? Who gave you this love in your process, your journey of life? Who walked with you? I invite you to think of 3 people, perhaps animals, or a part of the earth that you feel this gratitude for your process. Now envision them one more time, clear in your mind, and let a small smile enter your face, slowly turning into a bigger smile, until your smile is as wide as you can. Now on your next inhale with this big smile, lifting your arms up above your head, and exhaling, hands to the forehead for clear and loving thoughts. Hands to the heart for clear and loving intentions. And hands to the mouth for clear and loving communication. Sending out wonderful energy to all beings everywhere. Bringing back the awareness to the smell in your space. You can softly flutter your eyes back open if you haven't done so yet. Thank you for being here, sweet love. I hope you are filled with gratitude for life and all its wonders. We would be so grateful if you would take a second to like and subscribe, comment which smell you chose, and please share this meditation with a loved one. You make an enormous difference by doing that. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life, sweet love. And until next time.